Can we please extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries here as we proceed with the lamp lighting? Thank you so much to all our esteemed dignitaries for inaugurating Aspire 2026 with this beautiful tradition. Thank you, sir, for joining us. We will also have a group photograph of all of you with the lamp. Can we please have all of you stand with the lamp for a quick group photograph? Can we please have a round of applause? This is marking the traditional start to Aspire 2026. We are very grateful for all our dignitaries for gracing the occasion and being part of Aspire 2026 and joining us this morning here. Now, with the beautiful tradition already done, it's time for us to move on now and to formally welcome everyone and share the vision driving this initiative. It's my privilege to introduce to all of you Ms. Renu Maheshwari, Chairperson of ARIA. She will be delivering the welcome address. Ms. Maheshwari is an expert in fiduciary financial planning and investment management. As the CEO and principal advisor of FinScholars, she has spent over 13 years at the helm of a pioneering fee-only practice, proving the viability of unconflicted, client-centric wealth management in the Indian market. Renu is one of the founding members of ARIA and is currently serving as chairperson of ARIA, and she is involved in advocacy committee, actively working with key regulators. Her technical mastery of financial planning, investment analysis, and management is the bedrock of her national leadership roles. She also serves as the chairperson of the Industry Standard Forum, member of Market Data Advisory Committee, and actively works with NISM. She is member of Intermediary Advisory Committee and Market Data Advisory Committee of SEBI, a dedicated advocate for systemic change. Her empowering women's wealth movement has affected financial inequality to ensure that financial fearlessness becomes the enduring legacy for women across all strata of society. So, ladies and gentlemen, please extend a warm welcome and join me in welcoming Ms. Renu Maheshwari on the stage. She will be delivering the welcome address.
Can you all hear me? Okay, good morning, everyone. It's an absolute honor and please forgive me. I'm short, so maybe you can't see my face. I'm gonna just move this way. Okay. Perils of height. Good morning, everyone. It's an absolute honor, sir, to welcome you over here as the chairperson of ARIA. It's an absolute delight to be able to have you over here, along with all our dignitaries from SEBI and from mutual fund industry. Looking out in this room, what I see more than just professionals. I see the custodians of investors' trust. You are the layer, the human infrastructure layer, which is in between the vagaries of the market and the ultimate consumer of our industry, that's the investor. And we create that layer with our unbiased advisory. I would like to extend a personal welcome, very warm welcome to sir for being here. I know it's a busy day for him, but he has still taken out time for us. It shows that we are an important pillar in the ecosystem. We would like to believe that. More importantly, I'm thankful to all the SEBI officials, the current, the past, the outgoing, who have created this ecosystem where we are able to have a dialogue and collaborate with the regulator and lawmakers to give our contribution to developing the industry in the country for a Viksit Bharat. I sincerely feel privileged that we are able to play that role in the ecosystem today. Thank you very much for that, sir. We gathered here at Aspire 26 during a transformative period for our industry. And ladies and gentlemen, I can keep talking, so I'm going to stick to the script, otherwise we'll run out of time. Our nation has set its sight on the grand vision of Viksit Bharat. But a developed India or Bharat cannot be built on the infrastructure of steel and silicon alone. We need to have a foundation of trust, and that's the infrastructure we are all trying to build over here. We have a dream that we should have frictionless, unbiased advisory services available to each and every citizen of this country by 2047. Simple dream, but quite audacious. But we've got, it gives us a target, plenty of things to work for. Some say that India is not ready for paying fees. We are not ready for a fiduciary advisory. I've got some data, please have a look at that. During the last 1 year, and this data is up to September, that's the data aggregation we are doing in the industry at the exchange at BSE portal. During last 1 year, we have serviced about 7.65 lakh customers, and more than that, we have collected 1,298 crores in fees. Ladies and gentlemen, give an applause to yourself. We are growing, we are there. There may be green shoots, we may look like a struggling, fledgling industry, but we are there. And we are going to be there, and we will grow and continue to grow. The January 25 circular is the one which brought this clarity to the ecosystem. Trading call providers moved to the research analysts where they truly belong. What it gave us, two things. One is a perception in the industry that the number of RIs are going down. Trust me, we are not going down. It's just bringing in clarity. It's just the right core of people, advisory people who are staying in here now. So don't go by that number. Look at that, what we have right now. We currently have about 945 RIAs, out of which 727 are active. That means they are submitting their reports. So they are absolutely in practice. More than that, we had an internal data available to us. There are more than 30 to 40 applications which are coming to BSE every month. New RIA applications. So all of you who feel people are not coming, they're coming. It's just a matter of time. Now we believe, and we have all these discussions, etc., about fiduciary, non-fiduciary, but we firmly believe that from Bharat to Viksit Bharat, fiduciary will be the paramount. We cannot have a developed economy without a world-class advisory framework. ARIA's advocacy with SEBI has been rooted in making this profession robust enough to support that dream. Thanks to a deeply collaborative approach from SEBI, we have addressed several friction points whether it was the 1600 number requirement or a pragmatic way for dealing with accessibility audit or resolving the nuances of valid pay UPI handle or CSC CRF framework, ARIA has been your voice in the ecosystem. Friends, trust us. The team at ARIA board, along with 30 other volunteers, constantly work towards this purpose. This progress has not happened in a vacuum. This is an outcome of continuous efforts, what we call anvarat prayas, with the philosophy of karmane vadika raste ma phaleshu kadachan. Today, ARIA has a seat at Intermediary Advisory Committee of SEBI. ARIA holds ISF Investor Advisor Chair position. We are part of all the working groups whenever there is an issue, wherever IA is involved. We meet with BSE and SEBI officials on a monthly basis to sort out issues. We are working with all the education providers in the industry. That's NISM, Mr. Krishnan is here, CFA Institute, FPSP India. These are the three major education providers for our industry. We work with MFU. We have a voice with PFRDA. We were even invited to the Ministry of Finance's, Finance Minister's pre-budget consultation meeting. So, have faith in the system. And we have the regulators sitting with us. I'm sure you will get more confidence as you listen to them, the way we all are confident about the things that are happening in the ecosystem. This is the major purpose why we wanted all the regulators to be here today. From morning till evening, we have a lineup where all participants from the ecosystem will be talking to all of you, communicating what we all know and why we all feel confident. And I'm sure you all will also feel confident the same way we feel about this industry. The highlight of today is a milestone moment for our profession, the unveiling of Fiduciary Advisory Practice Standards, the first ever comprehensive blueprint for the Indian RIA, designed to create a bridge between the regulation, intent of regulation, and the practicalities of investment advisory practice. This monumental task was possible with the tireless efforts of our Practice Standards Committee, Vivek Rege, Dilshad Bilimuria, Jigar Patel, for the tireless time and efforts they've put into the work. Of course, AI was a big help to us, otherwise we could not have finished the work so fast. I'll miss the delight of having that morning cup of 9 a.m. morning cup of tea and breakfast with all these three colleagues. Maybe we'll have to continue, otherwise we'll have withdrawal symptom for a while. We'll have the unveiling today, and we are not stopping at the physical booklet. To ensure this gold standard reaches every advisor, we will also be launching it on Amazon and Kindle. Our vision is simple, maybe audacious, and I'm repeating again, to make standard, unbiased, fee-only advice available to every Indian household. Rather than me going on and on about this, because yes, we keep working all year long and then we can keep talking about it all the while, we have created a whiteboard outside in an old-fashioned manner. Go around during the day, have a look at it, what all we have done and what all we plan to do in future. All of this would not have been possible without a wonderful team that we have. The journey fueled by the collective strength of Team ARIA. I want to thank our Vice Chair, Amit Kukreja, for his structured thought process, Treasurer Kavita Menon for her fiery head-on approach to all operational and other issues, Lovi's signature, cool leadership. You'll never see him hassle, friends. Dependable support of Vivek. You call him at night, and in the morning he would have finished it and given it over to you. Harsh Rungta, his unmatched regulatory in-depth. Every time we need some help, we just reach out to him, give him a call, and we have answers available to us. And the work is further sharpened by Shailen's matter-of-fact pragmatism, Tarun's focus on growth and his attitude, and the wisdom of Suresh Sadgopan. So ladies and gentlemen, Thank you very much, the team. I really appreciate, I enjoyed the year working with all of you. Couldn't have expected anything better. There are a whole lot of sessions lined up, and I'm going to wind up right now because you'll all see it during the day. It's our aspire to align our practice with the national destiny of Viksit Bharat. So thank you very much for coming here today, and thank you very much to all the dignitaries for being here.